Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan Stills with Information Security Experts. Today we'll be talking about the most effective method we found when creating agents and agent groups. When it comes to agents, really all you're doing is assigning an identifier. So you may be thinking, how many ways can you give something a best name? The impact of the naming standard just might surprise you. We like to create a new agent for every server or machine that we need to protect, and we name each agent after the host name or the IP address of the server if it's static. You can benefit a lot from using this standard when you start troubleshooting, you start looking through log files. That way you can identify the specific server by the agent name that pops up in the messages. Once we've created the agents necessary for the web application, we can take it a step further and set up our agent group for the application. When naming the group, it's best to name it by the fully qualified domain name that the app uses for its URL. This way we associate all the specific servers with the appropriate application. It also serves a secondary purpose of making the policy creation process a little more reader-friendly when you go to define your resource filters and specific rules and resources. You can see here that my resource looks like my actual URL now instead of an agent name followed by a file path. So just to do a quick recap, we always want to name our agents after the machine they'll be associated with, and we always want to create a group with the domain name, even if there's only one agent for that application. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything new, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. If you have questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. We'd love to get your feedback.